The world's largest flower, Rafflesia arnoldii. Today, we're going to one of the most incredible wonders of the plant world, the Rafflesia arnoldii, also known as the corpse flower. Is giant, with a diameter that can reach up to 3 feet, is not only the largest flower on Earth, but also one of the most unique and mysterious plants you'll ever learn about. Stick with me as we explore its fascinating features, its surprising smell, and the role it plays in nature. The giant flower. So, what makes the Rafflesia arnoldii so extraordinary? First of all, it's the size. This flower can grow up to 3 feet across, about the size of a large pizza. To give you an idea, it's larger than most people's heads and definitely stands out in its native habitat. But here's the thing. This giant flower doesn't grow like most plants you might be familiar with. In fact, the Rafflesia arnoldii doesn't have a typical stem, leaves, or roots. Instead, it grows as a parasite, attaching itself to a host plant, usually a vine in the forests of Southeast Asia, particularly in Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. The smell. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The Rafflesia arnoldii is famous for its odor. The flower emits a strong, foul smell that's often compared to the smell of rotting flesh. Hence the nickname, the corpse flower. But why this terrible scent? It's all about attracting pollinators. The smell draws in carrion beetles and flies, insects that are typically attracted to dead animals. These insects are the Rafflesia's primary pollinators. The flower blooms for a very short time, just 3 to 7 days. So, when it does bloom, it needs to attract these insects quickly to reproduce before it wilts away. The life cycle. The Rafflesia starts its life as a small bud growing within its host plant. Over several months, this bud develops into the large, spectacular flower. However, most of its life is spent underground, where it stays hidden as a parasitic growth. It's only when it's ready to bloom that it breaks through the surface, showing off its giant, red petals with white spots. Why is it important? So, what makes this giant flower so important to our planet? Well, despite its unpleasant scent, the Rafflesia arnoldii plays a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity. It supports various species of pollinators and helps balance the ecosystems of Southeast Asia's tropical rainforests. The plant's rarity also makes it an important symbol for conservation efforts in these regions, reminding us of the importance of preserving our planet's unique ecosystems. The Rafflesia arnoldii is truly one of the world's wonders, a giant flower that captivates both scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. From its massive size to its pungent fragrance, this flower proves that nature isn't afraid to be a little unconventional.